Day 16. I'm out here now. I feel bad for yesterday, so I'm gonna do the whole process today and make sure I get it all and have it for y'all for presentation. Appreciate y'all. Let's get to it. All right. That's right, folks. We'll start a new pile today. But unlike these two are gonna be replacement piles for if I need more brown or if I need more green. So be back soon. All right. Made a little lie. I might use new pile for green, no, new pile for dry and old pile for green. Only because, yeah, this one soaked and marinated already. Bless me. And thank you if you said bless me too. All right, so anyway, we're working with today. Use grounds. Well, not use grounds, but use scraps, those scraps, and then watermelon scraps more. I had to bring out the Jason again. And we have some of our special water. Long story short, it's just a compost tea, leftovers basically. Yeah, so we're working with that, adding some of that in today. We have our thermometer back. Wouldn't be surprised where it was, but could have used it the other day. Anyway, let's get started. We're going with flipping all of these, checking all temps. All right. And pile number one coming in, 90. What's the lowest temps we're seeing? 83, 82. All right, pile number two. I saw 93, 95, 96. 100 on the outside is crazy. 81 is the lowest, but 100. Pile number three. 94. I promise you the numbers coming in high where the sun is at. But I'm gonna go with it. 100. I seen a 79. Pile number four. Okay. I'm reading at 100. 85, the lowest. 84. And our spare green pile is actually sitting under some nice shade. But it's still 107. 107. 81. Alright, inside of pile one. It should be cooler. 74. See? Closer to finishing. I like these piles. Pile number two. A high 82. High 87. Show the sun over here. A low of 75. Pile number three. A higher 88. I ain't seen not a 70 yet. Pile number four. Not 89. 79. And the wet pile. This is the only 109. This is the only part or the only pile that red above the outside temp. Alright, plans for the piles. Pile 1 is gonna get light food scraps. Pile 2, light food scraps. Pile 3, medium food scraps. Pile 4, medium food scraps. Well, pile 3 and 4, the rest of them. For emergency wet pile or green pile, I'm going to flip this today. Leave it and add no water, or probably a little bit. This one, the dry emergency dry pile, I'm gonna flip it no water. More food scraps added. Didn't need the Jason for real. Everything was pretty much able to be peeled apart. So, yeah. Got a new idea for the dry pile emergency. So, yeah, I'll be back with that. Time to add our water. Add it right in the middle. Oh my God, this shit stank. Alright, all amendments added. I'll be back when it's time to rake everything up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wet, green, dry, brown. Basically had to spread it out. Basically had to spread the pile out as far as I could, get it as low as I could for it to be a dry pile. Alright, everything's done. Slight cleanup, and that's it for now.